Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. In this video, I'll be talking about the stock Bionano Genomics, ticker symbol BNGO. And in this video, I will be talking about the recent public share offering, the price action, and I know like you guys already know about the news that like the public sharing has happened this morning, but don't leave yet, because I did not make the video earlier in the morning, because I know that like even though I'm not making the video, you will know about this stock offering anyway. So I took the time and did some research about the price action so that I can guide you the recent price action and what you should be looking at going forward. So stay tuned, there is a lot to cover in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So we are looking at the 15-minute chart for the stock BNGO, and what I have done here, I'm showing you the chart. Just want to show you two things. On January 8th, there was a price offering at $3. So when we look at the stock, it was like here. So there was a $3 offering, and we saw there was a drop in the share price, but it never came to $3. Like it came up to like 4.1 something, whatever, then it bounced back. What happened today? Another big offering, like $6 per share. So what we have seen again, there is a big drop in share price, and in pre-market I think it dropped like 17%, but again we see the share price never came to $6. It came up to like 7.5 and then it bounced back, and currently the stock is down 12%, and in aftermarket another 0.25%. So first of all, is stock public offering is good or bad? That's the one thing, and I think probably you guys all know, but I will just take like maybe 30 seconds. So suppose like this is a company and this is the pizza, right? So there are 10 slices and each slice cost $1. So you can think that this pizza has 10 slices and the total price of the company is $10. So you have one slice of pizza, which is one share, which is $1. Now if the company decides that it will offer additional 10 share, so there will be 20 pieces of that particular pizza. In other sense, what you can think, you will still hold one share or one slice, but the cost of that pizza slice will be 50 cents, not $1. So basically the price is getting lower. But in the other sense, you can think that now because of the stock offering, the company is trying to raise some money. So this is the thing, when you are long, so you should not be worried, because the company is trying to raise some money and they will use the money for future investments, which is a good thing. On the other hand, if you are a short-term investor, maybe this is not a good thing. That is why in the chart we can always see whenever there is a public share offering, the price drops. Then there are always long-term investors, they buy this dip and then stock price goes up. Then again it happens. So again today we saw that it never came to $6, it bounced back. And the other side, on the long term, other than the long side, there are another argument that people say that whenever there is some public share offering, within few weeks or few days, is it good or bad? We know that recently we all know like Cathy Wood, right? So she is very bullish on DNA based stock for next year. Also very recent news, good news came for BNGO. They attended a symposium and there are very good things. So some very good momentum was behind the stock and it helped the stock to go high. Maybe the company is thinking, okay, this is the highest price and this is a good time to offer some share. So they know like this is a good time. Maybe they know like there will be no good news coming in near term, so maybe they offer. So there is good and bad when the offerings are very close. Maybe sometimes there is an issue, maybe there is no issue, right? And I also want to compare this with another stock, ticker symbol NNDM, because we know in last few weeks or within a short span of time they offered a lot of stock offering. You can see that, right? So they offered something, there was a dip, again it went back up, then again they offered something, it came down, and again the stock price started going up. So again, like you can see that that is also similar to BNGO, like in closed space, but overall the stock is, if you see the channel, that these two line, even though there was stock offering, but the stock is going higher. And I'm not saying NNDM and BNGO are the same stock, and I'm not comparing those, but in general, in a long term, stock offering might not be bad, right? So if I also look at BNGO, like I can see the similar thing, even though there was price share offering, but still, like I can see that this stock will go high, and if you're a long-term investor, buy the dip, buy the dip. That's the thing, right? Okay, so let's come back to the chart. So what happened today, like when there was a share price offering, the share price dropped in pre-market, the yellow bar here, the share price came like up to $7.5, then it went up, and it during the day it bounced back from 7.54 7.5 around this area, and during the day it stayed maintained around $8. So even though the share offering was at $6, it never came, it like bounced back from $7 and then again $7.5. So still I see there is like good deep buyers, people are buying. You see like some big green bars here, people are picking some stock because they are very bullish for this particular stock. So if you are a long-term investor on this stock, do not worry. I think you have a long way forward for making profit. If you are a short-term investor, if you are in profit, because we know that this stock has a huge run. I think it was like 25 for 50 cent. From 50 cent, this stock is currently sitting at $8. So you can always take your profit, and it's up to you. But if you haven't entered into the stock yet, I think I would suggest look at this resistance line. So if the stock price comes back to 7.5, get some share. If it comes back to $7, get some share. If it comes back to 6.5, grab more shares. By any chance, if it comes to $6 or even $5, just buy the dip, right? So do not just jump blindly. Let the dust settle and see where the price is moving. Maybe from tomorrow we can see that the price will go up, who knows? But if it comes down, you know these red lines, right? You know what price you are looking at. So the whole purpose of this particular video is not to introduce that, oh, there was a I'm the first YouTuber to bring the news that there was a huge offering. My main point was to show you that like this is not a bad thing in terms of long-term perspective, and also I wanted to show you that what are the support for this particular stock and at what point you should get into the stock. So this is it for this particular video. If you think the information is informative for you, so don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I bring 2 to 3 videos every day. And if you are a BNGO investor, I might bring more videos down the road, so don't forget to subscribe. And also please write your comments and your feedback. We are a community, so we can all discuss and we can all make some profit together. So have a wonderful day, my friends. Take care. Peace.